Hello and welcome back to Chives. Today's tutorial will show you how to crochet an egg. The second part of the tutorial will show you how to add decorative embroidery to create your own Fabcrochet egg. A downloadable PDF pattern is also available in the community area of this YouTube channel and on our website. Visit the links in the description box below. You will need the following materials. Begin by creating a magic ring. Hook in 6 single crochets inside the magic ring. Pull the ring close. Round 2. Hook in 2 single crochets in every stitch in the round. You will have a total of 12 stitches in this round. Round 3. Single crochet in every stitch in the round. Round 4. Single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this 4 more times. You will have a total of 18 stitches in this round. Round 5. Single crochet in every stitch in the round. Round 6. Single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this 5 more times. You will have a total of 24 stitches in this round. Round 7 to round 10, single crochet in every stitch in the round. Round 11, single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Single crochet 2 together. Repeat this 5 more times. You will have a total of 18 stitches in this round. Round 12, single crochet in every stitch in the round. Round 13, single crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet 2 together. Repeat this 5 more times. You will have a total of 12 stitches in this round. Round 14, single crochet in every stitch in the round. Insert fiber fill into the egg until firm. Continue to the next round. Round 15, single crochet 2 together in every stitch in the round. Fasten off and weave in any loose ends. You have just completed your crochet egg. Now to upgrade the egg to a Fabcrochet egg. Yes, a Fabcrochet egg. The yarn version of the Faberge egg. The Faberge egg is a bejeweled egg gifted to royalty and was made by Peter Carl Faberge. We'd love to see your version of the Fabcrochet egg using our egg pattern. Visit the description box for more information. We use scrap yarn to create the embroidery in the egg. This Fabcrochet egg was made using a stitch called the stroke stitch. We used 4 different colored yarns to stitch around the middle part of the egg. Count 5 rounds above and below the egg and mark with pins. Insert the yarn into your needle and create straight stitches in different lengths and directions, in the space allotted. Be mindful of the spacing needed for your other yarn colors. Our second Fabcrochet egg design is made using stitches known as the herringbone stitch and the French knot. We used 2 contrasting colored yarn to create this design. To create the herringbone stitch, count 5 stitches on the top and bottom of the egg. Mark with a pin. Insert your yarn into your needle, and starting at the bottom marker, thread your yarn in and make a diagonal stitch upwards. Bring the needle out in the left part of the stitch made. Pass the needle and yarn underneath the first diagonal stitch. Insert into the bottom part and insert 1 or 2 stitches to the left. Pull through. Repeat the process until you reach the beginning part of the stitch. Fasten off. To create the French knot, insert your yarn into the space in between the herringbone stitches. Hold the thread firmly and wrap it twice around the needle. Insert the needle into the same stitch it emerged in and insert the needle into another point in the egg. Pull through carefully. Continue this until you have dotted the spaces with French knots. How easy was that? Don't forget to click on the subscribe, like and share buttons. Or leave a comment below. Until the next tutorial, thank you for watching.